Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
The year 2026 brings a new chapter in the world of luxury motorhomes, and few names carry as much weight in the heavy-duty vehicle industry as Scania. Known for their robust trucks and buses that dominate highways around the world, Scania has taken their engineering expertise and applied it to something very different yet incredibly exciting: the ultimate motorhome. The 2026 Scania Motorhome is not just a recreational vehicle, it is a rolling luxury palace that blends the rugged reliability of commercial trucking with the comfort and elegance of high-end residential design. Imagine a motorhome built on the backbone of one of the world's toughest long-haul truck chassis, yet refined into a living space that could rival five-star hotels. That is exactly what Scania has delivered. The first thing people notice when they see the 2026 Scania Motorhome is its sheer size and presence. Built on a long-haul frame, the motorhome stretches across the road with an unmistakable silhouette. Its height and width give it a commanding presence, and it looks less like a traditional camper and more like a luxury tour bus transformed into a private rolling mansion. Scania's designers have balanced practicality with aesthetics. The front end carries the iconic Scania look: bold grille, aerodynamic edges, and LED light signatures that make it look futuristic and aggressive. This is not just a vehicle meant for leisure travel, it is a statement of status, technology, and engineering. The exterior is sleek, available in customizable paint schemes from understated metallic tones to more extravagant, artistic finishes. Integrated slide-outs expand the living space when parked, and hidden compartments store everything from outdoor furniture to bicycles and electric scooters. The sides feature flush glass windows that span from floor to ceiling, giving the interior a panoramic connection to the outside world. The